What if you were very small, smaller than a cat or a dog, a bar of soap, or a bottle cap, small as a bean? What would your world be like?
Fairfax County Public Libraries is excited to kick off our summer reading adventure, which is available at all of our libraries. This year's theme is Adventure Begins at Your Library, and it's all about sparking curiosity and encouraging lifelong learning. You can register at beanstack.com, and then the challenge will begin on June 12th. So at that point, you can begin logging your books, your reading sessions, or completing activities. Summer Reading Adventure is open to all ages. There's something for everyone. We have different challenges for each age group, as well as prizes for each age group. For our youth, we have sweet treats such as a cup of Italian ice from Rita's Italian Ice or a free Frosty from Wendy's, as well as free books or comic books at local bookshops. To get the coupon book, you'll need to complete the challenge that's appropriate for your age group, and you do that by completing our badges on Beanstack. And you earn badges by logging books that you've read, logging 20 or 30-minute reading sessions, or completing activities. Wherever you are this summer, whether that be at the beach or outdoors, we hope that you keep reading. So we hope that you participate in the challenge and visit us at a library.
Don't forget to read!
Go online and get started today with the Fairfax County Public Library's Summer Reading Adventure. And enjoy your summer.